In a quiet forest under a starry night sky lived a tiny but wise firefly named Luma Luma. Wasn't the brightest light in the forest, but it always helped lost insects find their way. One night a fierce wind blew through the forest, and all the fireflies lost their glow. All except Luma. With patience and courage, Luma guided everyone home, proving that even the smallest light can lead the way. From that night on, Luma was known as the wise little firefly whose light never faded.
Did you know you can turn your love for cartoons into a money-making skill? Yes! Welcome to our guide on how to earn money by making cartoon animations. Cartoon animation is the art of bringing characters and stories to life through visuals. From classic 2D animations to modern 3D designs, there's a world of creativity waiting for you. Cartoon animations are everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, educational videos, and even advertisements. So turn your creativity into cash. In this video, I'll show you how you can earn money by creating stunning cartoon animation videos using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is your ticket to a profitable skill. I am making my cartoon animation mainly using Canva. Canva is a user-friendly tool that makes animation easy. With its vast library of templates, characters, and backgrounds, you can create eye-catching cartoon animations without any prior design skills. Once your animation is ready, export it in high quality. You can sell your animations on Fiverr, create a YouTube channel, or even offer animation services on social media. A lot of tutorials are available on YouTube about these platforms. Let's create a winning animation. First, go to chatgpt.com and give it a command to write script of animated story for us. It will generate story within no time, including 4 scenes. Amazing part in this video is we are creating our own animated cartoon, who is hero of our story. So without wasting time, just open canva.com, create a new video design in landscape dimension. Go to Apps tab and search for Dream Image. Open it. Write 2 lines in the image prompt text box, then click on Improve Prompt. It will improve prompt in a second. Just click on Use and Replace button, then click on Generate. An amazing singing winged creature is generated within seconds. It's really beautiful and cool. Click on Add to Design button. We have to remove its background first. Click on BG Remover just above the page. After removing background, just download this image as PNG and with transparent background by clicking on the Share button and then Download. Now we move towards next step, to make our winged creature moving, flying, and healing others according to the story. For this purpose, just go to klingai.com. After signing in, go to Image to Video tab and upload your image by clicking the Start button, which you have just downloaded from the Canva website. Write 1 line in the prompt section which describes what kind of scene or movement you want. This is optional, but I am writing here 1 line. When we click on Generate button, it shows us a notice that we are using professional mode. As we are using the free version, change its mode to standard and then click on Generate. After some time, magic will happen. A beautiful video is created of 5 seconds. Just download it. No worries about watermark. It will be removed. Go back to your video in Canva, upload the video which you have just downloaded and click on BG Remover to remove the background first. After removing background, set it. Go to Klingai website again, an image is already uploaded. Just give a command in prompt to move your flying creature. Leave all setting as it is. Click on Generate button. After some time, video is generated. Just download it and upload it in Canva in the upload section. After uploading, drag it to Canvas and remove background of video using BG Remover. Our own shinning winged creature is ready. Now we add different scenes and add custom animation and transition between pages to make its look more attractive. Just go to Elements and search for dark forest photos. Add 3 to 4 beautiful scenes to your video. 1 scene per page. Set the page accordingly and paste video above it. Now click the Animate button, create a custom animation, and move the background from right to left. Set the other photo to cover the full background. Paste Singing Winged Creature video above it, and set its position and create a custom animation in the above direction. Now here we are moving the creature in the upward direction. Now we repeat the same process for another scene. Create also custom animation here. After setting these pages, add transition between pages by clicking on plus sign click match and move and apply it to all the pages. Here we give a twist to our video. Add 2 more Senes photos and videos for the Singing Winged Creature helping Authres. Add the photos on the new page. Set them and paste 2 Singing Winged Creature video and go to Elements tab, search for Dark Forest photo and video. Drag it to the canvas and again set them and paste 2 Singing Winged Creature video above it. Set also the position of pages. Make sure transition is applied on all the pages. Amazing video, get ready. We have to just download it as MP4 format by clicking the share button, then download. Now we are adding voiceover behind our story. For that purpose, I am using 11 Labs website. Go and sign in. Then text to speech tab and paste your story after copying it from chatgpt website. You can paste 500 characters at a time. Select George for voiceover. After converting into speech, just download it after getting voiceover. Use CapCut for editing. Drag video and audio in CapCut and match timings. Add text above it and add music downloaded from audio library of YouTube. After setting all, just export the video, share it, and enjoy. There is a tip for you if you want to earn more. Explore storytelling techniques. Use sound effects creatively, and always keep your animations fun and engaging. And that's it. Cartoon animation in Canva is a fun and easy way to make money. So grab your creativity and start earning today.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.